There's no smoke without fire. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. There's no smoke without fire. This video explained the meaning of the proverb, there's no smoke without fire, and how we can apply it to our lives for luck, overcoming difficulties, and success. Now let's delve deeper into the practical aspects of this concept. In our lives, we often encounter situations where there seems to be a hint or suggestion of something hidden or underlying. Just as smoke is a visible indication of fire, these signs should not be ignored. By paying attention to the subtle cues and clues around us, we can uncover the truth and make informed decisions when faced with challenges or obstacles. This proverb suggests that we should investigate further rather than dismissing them as mere coincidences. By looking beyond the surface, we may uncover the root cause and find effective solutions. This proactive approach can help us overcome difficulties and achieve success. In the pursuit of luck, this proverb reminds us to be observant and vigilant. Opportunities may come disguised as challenges or setbacks. By recognizing the warning signs or signals, we can seize these moments and turn them in our favor. Luck often favors those who pay attention and are willing to dive deeper into situations. Furthermore, the application of this proverb encourages us to trust our instincts and intuition. Just as smoke serves as a warning, our gut feelings can guide us towards making the right choices. Tuning into our inner voice and relying on our instincts can lead us to positive outcomes. In conclusion, the proverb, there's no smoke without fire, there's no smoke without fire, serves as a valuable reminder to pay attention to the signs and signals around us. By being observant, investigating further, and trusting our instincts, we can navigate through life's challenges and embrace opportunities. Applying this concept in our daily lives can lead to luck, overcoming difficulties, and ultimately achieving success. So let's remember that where there is smoke, there is fire, and where there are hints or suggestions, there is likely a deeper truth waiting to be discovered. There's no smoke without fire. This proverb emphasizes the importance of paying attention to the signs and signals around us. By being observant and investigating further, we can uncover the truth and make informed decisions. Trusting our instincts and intuition can guide us towards making the right choices. Applying this concept in our daily lives can lead to luck, overcoming difficulties, and ultimately achieving success. Remember, where there is smoke, there is fire, and where there are hints or suggestions, there is likely a deeper truth waiting to be discovered. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.